Hey guys, I'm back with another simple, easy and powerful pocket option 5-second strategy that anyone can use right after watching this video. And as I say on all of my video, no matter which strategy you learn either from me or from anyone else or from any paid course, firstly test all that strategy in your demo account and continuously test it for a while and see if it is working for you. And if it is working for you, then only use that strategy in your real account. Okay, otherwise you learn a strategy, you think it works, and you just directly implement it in your real account and you'll just suffer the loss. Okay, so avoid that trap. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do smash the like button below this video. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, what you need to do is to use the simple strategy of today, which we are going to use by help of support and resistance level. You just need to select this candlestick, select this candle and make the time frame as 5, that is 5-second candle. Each of these candles are of 5 seconds, and then select the time and make it as 5. If this thing is not showing here, then make sure change this flag sign to clock. Okay, and then you'll easily be able to see this as 5. And even if after changing this clock, making this flag to the clock, you are not seeing this as 5, that means this currency pair is not going to allow you to trade on 5-second time frame. Okay, so let's select as 5 and then decide the amount that you want to invest. Now as I can see here, in real time it is showing a great support and resistance level. Here you can see, if you draw a trend line from here, okay, you'll find the exact support from where market is retracing back. Similarly, if you draw a trend line from here, you'll find out the exact point from where market is falling back. So you are going to get a perfect support and resistance. So you can assume that this can be a level of support and trade on higher, okay, from this place. So until it reaches up to this place, you can keep on trading. As you can see, I have already made a profit. So you can assume this as a support. You can even draw a trend line and keep on trading on by clicking on higher from this level to this level. Okay, but not all of your trade are going to be right. Sometimes false breakout happen and you may suffer huge loss, and at that time the money management comes into place. Okay, and my money management strategy is extremely simple: 10, 30, 90. Firstly, you invest $10. If you lose, invest $30. If you win that $30 trade, again trade from $10. And if you again trade $10 and make a loss, and if you again trade with $30 and again make a loss, then trade with $90. And if you make a profit of from $90, then again start trading from $10 and keep on trading until you make a profit of $260. Okay, and if you lose $10, $30 and $90 also, then stop trading for that day and your loss will be $130. And in that way your risk to reward would be 1:2. That means you are willing to lose $130 to make a profit of $260. So in that way, what happens if you lose 2-day regular? Okay, like one day you lose $130, another day you lose $130, and in third day if you make $260 profit, then your previous 2 days loss will also be covered. Okay, and in long term you are going to be extremely profitable if you are going to use this money management strategy. So altogether, this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.